Oh shit. I'll tell you why. Oh shit. I will tell you why. Oh shit. This phone came like this. Uh-oh. So check this out, guys. Right? So these people have reheated this chip. But look at this. Who does this? Who does this? Who does this? Whoever does this needs to be, I don't know, shot or something. Come on. Look at this. So, this, you can see the state of the phone. State of the phone obviously is bad condition. But I open it and I just see this, right? So, if you scan down right here, so they've heated this whole area, right? They've destroyed, it looks like it's destroyed. If you look here, what seems bad? Look at this. That looks exploded, right? Okay. So, all these people, I mean, this person is just destroyed. I don't know what they've done. I don't know what they've used. This is rock solid. Look at this flux. Okay, so they've reflowed this crap really bad. The problem is here. Why do all this and do all this when the problem lies right here? Now let me show you. Let me get zoomed up in there. Okay. Let's go back to the point. Why, when the problem is right there? I'm not gonna get into things, so let's just hope they haven't killed the CPU, yeah? Let's hope they haven't killed the CPU, because it looks like they have just wrecked this phone. So, I'm gonna be lazy, yeah? I'm just gonna come here. I'm going to see if I can. Jeez, this flux is hard. Get out of there. Okay. I've picked up that crap. Look at this. Armando, you watching, yeah? You watching, yeah? Okay, watch this. I just received this phone like this, bro. And the problem was a short here. This was shorted here, and they just just reflowed this whole thing. Oh gosh. Let's just double check if we still got a short. Let's see if we got a short. Now, are we going to expect this phone to turn on after all of this? I have no idea. Let's see. Does it turn on? Bro, look, there's even cracks here from the heat they put from the back. Here's my test screen. So this was the problem in the beginning. Oh, Lord. Let's see. Whoa! Look at that! It's alive! It's actually alive! Yeah! 0.91 amps! Come on, mate! People, what are you doing? You are reflowing this nonsense when the problem's not there. This was the problem. This was the problem. Oh my lord. This little cap, bro. This little cap was the problem. Let me just, yes. This, look. Bro, Sachi. This was the problem, yeah? Look what these people did, man. Look what these people did to this poor phone. Oh my gosh. Are you ready? Look. All it was this cap, yeah? Okay. Look at this phone. All it was the cap. But look what these people did. Anyways. Get my known good battery. Honestly, seriously, people. This is disgusting. It was just a cap. And you reflow the whole goddamn board. These technicians out there, seriously, they make me want to fucking throw up. I hope this battery still has charge. Are you serious? Are you serious? You reflow the whole board. Brains. Use your brains. Use your brains, seriously. There we go. And touch is working. After all that reflow, it was just this. Why do you do this? Anyways. Specifications. It's an SM4NTP microscope. Look at that, easy money because you use your brains, yeah? If you use your brains, you make easy money. If you use your, I don't know, no brain, by the NAND, bro, by the NAND. Unbelievable. What is this? Anyways. That one's down, but now we got an interesting one, right? So look at this one. So this one, what phone? It's a 6 Plus, right? So this one, the Touch ID works for 5 minutes when you turn it on, and then it stops working after 5 minutes. It's never been touched, never been repaired. Touch ID works for 5 minutes. I'm from South Africa, but I live in London now. Sometimes, man, these people, seriously.